Hi, this is Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video. A little background on this next piece. It is a Mustang Mach 1 show car. This is just the radiator cover on inside the hood, but I think it turned out pretty well. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. You know the drill. Let's get late. I'm out. Then we have the Ford Mustang emblem with some glints, Mach 1. It's not fully polished yet, so don't judge me on that. Heartless is the name of the Mustang. And here we're going to take a look at the metal flake. Again, not the polish because it's not completely polished yet. I get it. I will update with a new video on the finished product, but I'm getting ready to get busy with it right now. There's the Mach 1. It's gonna look phenomenal when it's inside this car. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, out.